United Way of Johnson and Washington County's support is a backbone of our vital community initiatives. Together, we can create a positive change and make a lasting impact.
Right now, our community is experiencing a mental health crisis. Everyone in this community is reporting that they're noticing those around them and those that they love struggling in ways that they previously weren't. And we are seeing over 200 families every week. They're not able to leave with the amount of groceries they truly need. So if United Way were able to fully fund the crisis services that we offer here, we'd be able to expand our follow-up services even more. We'd be able to do more outreach to targeted groups such as senior citizens, youth, different populations that we know may not be as aware of our services. If our food bank were to be fully funded, we'd have a better ability to meet the actual need of community members. So we want to make sure that our outreach is getting to the whole community so that they know we're here for everyone.
Our commitment goes beyond fundraising. It's about investing in the well-being of our neighbors, supporting education, health, and financial stability. When we come together, amazing things happen.
The mission of the Free Medical Clinic is to supply free, affordable, high-quality health care to anyone in need. We couldn't do what we do without our core staff, which is supported by funding from the United Way of Johnson and Washington County. It allows us to provide quality health care to over 1,200 individuals a year through 5,500 visits, which includes treatment of over 11,600 diagnoses. We have a patient in our program who had such severe rheumatoid arthritis that she could barely get out of bed. The medications that we provide to help with rheumatoid arthritis weren't touching her symptoms, and she needed a very expensive prescription. One of my staff members spent weeks working through patient assistance programs and got her a prescription, which she then began taking. She came back for her appointment with the specialist to get a cortisone shot for her pain and denied it because she said she just wasn't really in any pain. So getting access to this prescription that would have been financially unattainable if without the work of my nurse and our staff really changed her life.
Our vision is of a united community where compassion and collaboration define our actions. Picture a future where opportunities are not confined by circumstances, where potential thrives and barriers are broken.
It's not the people who have everything who need the most support. It's people who struggle to access, struggle to get support from their community, struggle to get support from their families. That includes transportation, that includes education, childcare, resources of all kinds. And being able to access that when you're dealing with all the other trials and tribulations that comes along can be really difficult. United Way's support has enabled us to offer all of our programming free of charge and low barrier to access for young people. It's important because young people are the next round of leaders and of thinkers and of decision makers in our community. And unfortunately, Iowa has a record of a lot of those great minds and great thinkers going other places and taking their skills elsewhere. And so we want to show those young people that they can have change here in the community.
Imagine a community where everyone's dignity is upheld, where in times of crisis, we stand together with resilience and resolve.
Everyone deserves to eat. The United Way of Johnson and Washington Counties understands how important our work is in meeting this basic need. Our partnership ensures that our most vulnerable community members have access to fresh, nutritious food at no cost. With their support, we were able to provide $7 million worth of food to Johnson County residents last year. United Way helps amplify our mission and connect us to resources. Together, we're working toward a more just and less wasteful food system.
Together, we can turn this vision into reality.
We hope you join us in Living United and become a part of the incredible journey. We are united in purpose. We are United Way.